We've all made poor judgments within our lifetime, and this is no different. This is Demolition Fails Compilation Part 1 by Poor Judgment. Now, this was uploaded July 9th, 2017. Now, I hope I didn't react to this before, but I scrolled through old videos to see if I reacted to it before, and it looks like I haven't. So I can't wait to check this out, because I'm pretty sure it's going to be entertaining. Let's go ahead and hop into this right now.
Oh no!
You got the whole thing!
Oh shit!
Oh, ooh,
Oh
I hope
my
that
God.
person wasn't hurt. I really hope not.
Whoa! Jesus!
Bruce just got paid.
Dude, you got the money shot.
That's definitely a money shot. I hope that guy's
There he
okay
is.
though.
He's out.
Yeah, he's alright. He's good. Yeah, I'll applaud to that. He's okay. That's great.
Dude, you
As long as they're not getting hurt, it's good. Oh, that's not a fail. That's a win. Wait a minute, where's it falling? Oh, ooh. Okay.
Woo!
There's nothing funny about that, but he's okay. That's good. That's good.
I got it. You got it.
Good thing he's okay.
Yeah, he appears fine.
Yeah, he's
okay.
fine. Probably a little rattled, but oh, that's awful. Oh, that's awful. That wrecking ball was wonderful. That wrecking ball. It's just, that's something you see on Grand Theft Auto. I'm not gonna lie, that's something you see on Grand Theft Auto.
That is not good. No! Anybody standing over there?
What's gonna happen here?
Wrong way.
And it crashed.
Ooh. I don't think that was.
Wait a minute, it crashed on train tracks.
That is not good. No! Anybody standing over there?
Wrong way.
Oh no, it wasn't on train tracks, it was mighty close.
Ooh. I don't think that was supposed to happen.
How are these people not getting fired? How are they not getting fired? They are, wow. Okay, how are they not fired? Let's get back to the video, y'all.
He's gonna come through here for a little bit.
What are these things that they're tearing out anyway? Are these like old, wherever these things are? Yeah, the guy said wrong way, alert, wrong way, but you can't control where something falls. Run, run, run. Oh, those power cords. Oh,
Mission team in Australia
that's
has
awful.
demonstrated how not to implode
That's
a building.
how not to implode a building.
100 kilograms of explosives made a big bang, but as the 4,000-ton silo
Yeah, the
in
building's
Red Bank
stuck
began
on
to
side
collapse,
now.
it got stuck.
Whoever did that was stupid. I'm sorry, whoever did that was stupid. That was stupid. Whoever did that was stupid. How not to do a job 101. This is like, well, I'm glad nobody's getting hurt, but it's just stupid. Like, if you're going to do a job, you need to do it right the first time. I mean, you have only one try to detonate a building. You have, it's just, people don't need to do their job if they don't know what they're doing. No, that was just stupid. Play a second. Wait a minute, is that a house or? That's a house. What was he planning to accomplish there? That was stupid. Or was that a garage? Well, you created. Oh.
That's the way to do it.
No, it's not.
I love the
It's gonna
one.
cost us big bucks.
Oh, I love that. That was great. He was like, he put a huge hole in the garage. And he was like, "That's how you do it." And she was like, "No, no, it's not. You're gonna cost us big bucks." I'm like, okay, don't argue with the wife. It was funny. He created an unnecessary second hole in the garage. It looked like. Let's get back to the video. Some men are just. Oh, another building implosion. Okay. Oh. And And that's another building stuck on its side. Or is it? Where's it going? Where's it going? Oh, only half the building's going on. And somebody's car alarm just went off too. Well, either the building crashed on a car, which I hope not, or that's the sonic boom of it. Talk about a fail. Oh, okay. That building became a miniature wrecking ball. Why are we playing that back? Oh. Well, yeah, subscribe to this channel. And you'll get clips like that. Okay. Oh, I hope that guy was okay, though. I hope he was. That's a fail on his part. Well, that was Demolition Fails Part 1. It was surprising, enjoyable, entertaining, interesting, and full of possible scenarios of people almost dying, which I'm glad they didn't. But I still enjoyed the video. It was still somewhat funny though. I liked it. But hopefully y'all enjoyed it too. Be sure to smash the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, share, follow, do what you gotta do. And until next time, much love, stay cool, y'all. Peace.